Serene evening to everyone. My name is Yuvraj, your batchmate. Again, come with a beautiful presentation. And today, I will give you a glimpse of my topic. I would not divulge my topic name with my own, but I would let you know my topic name with this beautiful video. So please tighten your seat belt and lend me your ear for next 7 to 8 minutes and enjoy this clip. And it will tell you about my video and my topic about what is my presentation is all about. So please watch it.
एमपी में दिल हो बच्चे सा मुगली के छोटे से बच्चे सा शेर तुम्हारे धप्पा बरसी के संग संग दौड़े और चप्पा 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 छाने जैसे पकौड़े मेरी प्यारी के कुत्ते सा एमपी में दिल हो बच्चे सा शराब बाजार चक्के मार्बल पहाड़ चमके जैसे चंदा मामा मंदिर का महल लागे जादू कारनामा सांची की शांति से सच्चे सा एमपी में दिल हो बच्चे सा छोटे से बच्चे सा
Thank you. As like you all saw this video, so my presentation is completely on MP, the one of the incredible state of India, and now this is the one of the incredible state of India, the Madhya Pradesh. Whenever we hear this name Madhya Pradesh, the only two things comes in our mind. First is the wheat. Like it's the wheat of MP is very famous. Like you all have heard some aunties talking about like वो तो सिर्फ MP का ही आटा prefer करते हैं. This thing, and second thing is for Ujjain temple. Because Ujjain is one of the ancient city and it has a Mahakaleshwar temple that it's very well known for Lord Shiva. So today I will tell you about some most important places of Madhya Pradesh, and these are the claims of places that I will tell you in this my video. First is Mahakaleshwar Jyotirling, second the Marble Rocks, the Bandhavgarh National Park, Patal Pani Waterfall, Bhimbetka Rock Shelter, and the Great Sanchi Stupa. So let's start with this first site of a most beautiful site of MP, and one of the most center of attraction is the Mahakaleshwar Jyotirling. Mahakaleshwar Jyotirling is situated in the ancient city of Gujarat, and it has the one of the 12th Jyotirling of a Lord Shiva. It is believed that all the 12 among all the 12 Jyotirlings, all 11 have been ritualed by the priest to get the power of that particular Shivling. But in this, the Shivling itself gains its power and itself has its own ritual. And this is that make it very holy and abode, and among all abode of a holy Lord Shiva, it is the one of the most visited place of a Hindu people and Sanatani people in the India. Every year, 1,000 lakh of people visit Ujjain just for this Mahakaleshwar temple, and it is also known for his Bhasma Aarti. Like I would like to tell you that Lord Shiva known that he resides in the crematorium place which we call as a Shamshan, and in the Bhasma Aarti, they use the priest of that temple use bhasm of that rock we generally call ashes just to put this rituals of a Lord Shiva, and that make it very one of the most and ancient and central of attraction for the most of the Hindu deity, even for the foreigners. And now we are moving toward this Marble Rocks. First look at the image, you may find that it is looked like a foreign, but it is in India, it is in MP, and this are the Marble Rocks, and this Nadi is one of the sacred, we can say that it's a Narmada river that is carved this marble rock in an 8-kilometer length and creating this beautiful gorge, and it also become the tourist destination in the MP, and it also have this boating facility. So if you ever visit MP, so you must go there because you will get a beautiful picture out there. You can also flaunt in your neighbors that I went to the foreign, until and unless they did not know about your trip of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, and it also has this Dhauladhar Falls, is one of the like a famous waterfall in India. It also consists on this Narmada river only, and this is the main thing that Marble Rocks is one of the beautiful site in the MP. If you go in the morning, you will find the white color of marble with the boating facilities. And now we are moving toward the Bandhavgarh National Park. There is a lot of national park in India that has been made to keep to give a complete natural habitat to the wild animals that has there, like some especially the animals who are endangered in this world, and this Bandhavgarh National Park plays a vital role in India's national parks. Why? Because MP has a lot of national parks. It also have this Kanha National Park, because if you have heard about this Rudyard Kipling, is an author. It has a very beautiful book and famous book, The Jungle Book. The cover of that book is taken from the Kanha National Park. The real photo is taken from the Kanha National Park. And if I talk about this Bandhavgarh National Park, so it has the Royal Bengal tiger, which is only found in Sundarban. It has a lot of highest population of Royal Bengal tigers in the Bandhavgarh, and it also known for White Tiger Hub, because you can also find this White Tiger Hub only in Madhya Pradesh, only this place, and it also has the traces of this white tigers. And you can go on a jungle safari if you really want it, if you are very enthusiastic to go to see this wild animals, especially tiger, lion and other things. And next, the tourist attraction is the Patal Pani. First, I will explain you what is the Patal Pani. Like from where it gets the name. This Patal waterfall, it's around 91 meter long. Height of this waterfall is 91 meter long, and it got its name because there is a pond that side, and it generally in Hindi we call it Kund. It is as deep as Patal, or generally we say underworld. That's why it got its name Patal Pani, and it is one of the beautiful picnic spot of that Madhya Pradesh, because you can decide, you can have a lunch there and you can enjoy a sight of this beautiful Patal Pani. And now we're moving towards the Bhimbetka Rock Shelter. Bhimbetka Rock Shelter is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it has the traces of the earliest human, which is belong to the Stone Age. And this is the painting are made by the human that used to live in the Stone Age at the time of Paleolithic era. This rock painting was made around 10,000 year BCE. In the 10,000 BCE, and it is also archaeological service sites, and it was discovered by the V.S. Bhavalankar, and that makes MP one of the most center of attraction because of this Bhimbetka rock shelters. Now we're moving towards the Great Sanchi Stupa. You all have heard this in your history books. The Great Sanchi Stupa is related to the Buddhist monk. It was built by the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century BC. Many people think that why we have a Sanchi, this stupa only in this particular place, because her wife name is Devi. She was related to that particular place. That's why. And this stupa was built over the relics of a Buddha after he died. Over his relics, this Sanchi stupa was made, and it's one of the center of attraction of especially the Buddhist monks. They visit this place, and it has a very serene and tranquility environment because it's related to the Buddhist monks. And that make Sanchi Stupa one of the UNESCO archaeological site, one of the famous tourist of attraction. And now we are moving toward on the closing on it. On the this closing note, I would say that MP also have this topic of cancer, because there is an imaginary line that passes through the MP. So it also have we generally call it Kark Rekha. Its part is passes through 14 district of Madhya Pradesh. And on this note, I would like to thank you so much for being all here, for lending your for 7 to 8 minutes. Thank you so much. Hope you like my presentation.